Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northern Kenton County, northern Campbell County, northern Boone County, southeastern Hamilton County in southwestern Ohio, northwestern Claremont County in southwestern Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Florence, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows,
serious?
vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Covington, Florence, Independence, Norwood, Erlanger, Fort Thomas, Newport, Blue Ash, Loveland, Montgomery, Whittier, Atwood, and Albion. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Franklin, Champaign, Clark, Clinton, Greene, Logan, Miami, Montgomery, Bravo, Julian, on the waters of Lake Erie from the islands to Vermilion, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should rapidly change weather conditions for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Social media when you can do so safely.
Severe thunderstorm watch is about to get toned. So I made a double header here. There it is.
Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Dearborn, Franklin, Ohio, Ripley, and Switzerland, and the following counties in Kentucky: Boone, Bracken, Campbell, Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Kenton, Mason, Owen, Pendleton, and Robertson, and the following counties in Ohio: Brown, Butler, Claremont, Clinton, Hamilton, Highland, and Warren. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A tornado